Middle of the week, but it feels like play. Flip the shelf, wow, new toys today. What's new Wednesday? Turn the page, come see. GI Joe, yeah. Wild schemes on your screen. Action figures, clothes, and GI customs in view. What's new Wednesday? All this new just for you.
All right, hey guys, welcome to the first of what I hope is many of What's New Wednesday. So gonna try to post a video every Wednesday, just short, to the point, of what's new on the site, what's new with GI Customs, what's going on, something like that. So this week, I'm gonna focus on the defense gates. So got a bunch of different options here. These are just a few of the colors that I still have from the first run. You can order these gates for your defense post either as in this setup, so it comes with the stand, or you can order them separately, save a few bucks, but you will need two defense posts to clip these onto on the sides, so you'll need one on each side to hold the gates up. Otherwise, you can order it with the whole stand and they'll work and stand by themselves. They do open. Again, these aren't toys, they are for display. Something you'll want to do, because these are shipped separately in separate pieces so that nothing breaks or shears off. So when you get these, you'll want to throw a little glue on the bottom to help these hold these gates up, because the gates are heavy compared to the post. But once those are glued in, they'll hold the gates up just fine. You can pose them different ways. They will close, and this is wide enough for even a ramen tank to fit through, though it'll just barely fit through, but it is just wide enough for it. So these are big items, really nice, and they do have mounting holes in the top for any of the accessories like the light or the radar to go in the top, kind of set up your own scene. This is the Cobra version. Also have the Joe version here. Same thing, just with the star in the middle instead of the Cobra logo. But real nice. I do have a couple different color variations on the site, but you can't really mix and match at this time. But I do have some different options. They go with the actual fortresses themselves, the modular fortress. So you can get the gates individually like that, with either just the gates or the gates and the stand on the site. Or you can get them at what I call the checkpoint setup. So it'll actually be this, obviously minus this guy, but you'll have the gate, the stand, one of the rails on top to kind of give that some height, have a guy sit up here with a gun or something for the checkpoint. And then it also comes with one of the control command consoles. So this actually plugs in right on the inside in two pegs. So it gives you a little place for someone to be watching or whatever, something like that. So that comes with it as well. So you get both gates, the whole stand, the rail, and the command console center here with that checkpoint kit. So you can get that. The Joe one's the same, outside of it comes with the different gate color option, of course, but then also the command console matches that setup as well. So you get the green command console on the inside. So great items just added this week. What's New Wednesday should be going on here for a while. Make sure to stay tuned and let me know what you think in the comments. Order some up. They're all up on the site right now, so you can go snag them. There are a couple different discount codes out there. This does apply to the Jerk Hates It 25 discount code, where you actually get a porta potty replacement for the command center console, so you get the double urinal for free. You can get that in there. I had one sitting here, yeah, right here. To get one of these guys for free with that code, make sure to look that up at Yojo Jerk. It's up there, it's on my social media. You get one of these for free anytime you spend over $100 in accessories. So I think the full kit of the command or the checkpoint will grab you one of these for sure with that code. So make sure to put that code in. You can just get these separately if that's what you want instead. But got all that up on the site right now. Stay tuned for more on next week's What's New Wednesday.
Middle of the week, but it feels like play. Flip the shelf, wow, new toys today. What's